Airport security in St. Louis detained this vile criminal and confiscated his firearm, because TSA stands for Terrorist Sock Monkey Annihilators. Phyllis May makes sock monkeys. Here's one that looks like Carmen Miranda, and usually her creations are met with a relatively warm reception. But when she tried to take Rooster Monkburn on a flight with her, airport security got downright chilly. You see, Rooster here comes outfitted with a tiny toy gun, which the TSA, in their infinite vigilance and wisdom, deemed a threat to passengers. They even picked up the phone to call the police on poor Phyllis, but settled on confiscating the weapon and letting her off with a warning. You know, I'm actually glad to see the TSA is finally cracking down on handicrafts. Is there anything they can do about those heinous macrame owls? If you thought that was a good one, don't forget to check out our channel. Like, share, subscribe, and watch new videos every weekday.